This is the best way to make 5 to 10K per month, even as a complete beginner. This is called affiliate marketing. And don't worry about everybody knowing about this, because there are thousands of products you can promote. Like this video and save it for later so you can look back at it and follow the steps whenever you're ready to go. Let's go. Step 1, we need to find a product to promote. There's lots of websites to find products that you can promote, but I like to use ClickBank. Get over to ClickBank, and once you're on this page, you're gonna go all the way to the right, and then you're gonna click on Start Here. You're gonna complete the sign up process and make your free account. Once you sign in, you're gonna have all of these suggestions on the left side. We wanna go ahead and click on Affiliate Marketplace. Now you're gonna find all of these categories that you can choose from. Choose anyone that you like. I'm going to go with health and fitness. You're gonna find a lot of products that you can choose from. Choose one with a high commission rate. Well, we can choose this product, and as you can see, this product will pay you $145 per sale. Now, if you want to get your affiliate link to be able to promote this product on social media, we're gonna click on Promote. Now that you have your link, all you have to do is promote it on social media and drive free traffic to it. And I would suggest making social media accounts on at least 2 to 3 platforms, and try to make enough content to post at least twice per day. You can literally post the same content on 3 different platforms. If you're interested and you want to learn how I learned to make enough money doing this for 8 months to be able to quit my 9-to-5 job and learn the exact same way that I did,